In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a hole in an asphalt driveway. This happened after the utility company swapped out the poles and left me with a hole in the driveway. As you can see, they filled it with sand. What I ended up doing was removing the sand, and then I used a 2x4 to create a straight edge. If you have a hole in your driveway that's in the middle of the driveway, for example, you're not going to need a 2x4, but I needed to put there in order to create the edge. Links to the products I used are in the description, but here you can see I have the asphalt patch. And when you do this, you want to make sure that you do this on a nice sunny day so the asphalt patch is nice and pliable. The first thing I actually do is enlarge the hole, and I do this so I can fill it with enough of the patch repair, and then I tamp it down layer by layer. This is actually very straightforward, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. As you can see, this is very straightforward, and what I did here with the patch repair is do it layer by layer, and you want to compact it and you want to tamp it down. In this case, I'm just using a 2x4 or a piece of a 2x4 and a heavy hammer to just go ahead and compact that asphalt as much as I can. And it's very important that you especially do this on the edge so you have a nice even seam and it looks like it hasn't been patched. It looked like it was just part of the driveway. So it's very important that you do that, compact it, layer it, and don't overfill it. Now that we filled in the hole with the asphalt repair patch, what we're going to do is sweep a little bit of sand over it. And what this is going to do is if somebody's walking on top of this patch, it won't stick to their shoe. Likewise, you also don't want to drive on top of this patch, so you want to let it cure for several weeks before you drive or you walk on top of the patch. So after a few weeks, this is what it looks like. You can see that the repair looks seamless. It blends into the asphalt that was already there, and it looks great. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a comment, put a like, and subscribe for more.